Hey everyone, ever wanted to create your own animated GIFs to share on social media or spice up your website? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step using Canva's free version. No paid tools and no experience needed. Let's get into it. Go to canva.com and log into your free account or sign up if you don't have one. Once you're in, click Create a Design. Then click on Custom Size. This opens up a new blank canvas where the magic happens. Now choose your GIF's dimensions. In the Custom Size dialog, enter the width and height in pixels for your canvas. So we can use 500 by 500 pixels, and that is good for general posts or memes. We can use 1080 by 1920. And this is great for vertical stories or mobile views. And also we can use 800 by 200. And this is ideal for headers or email banners. All right, so after entering your dimensions, click Create New Design, and Canva will open a canvas at the size you set. For this tutorial, we'll just use 500 by 500. Create New Design. Now it's time to design your GIF content. Let's add some elements to your canvas. You can go ahead and click on text, and you can add a text box or you can add a heading. Let's go ahead and add a text box. And let's type in a message. Let's say, sale today. All right, let's go ahead and change the font. Let's use the Spartan, and we can change the font size. Okay, that looks fine. And then we can also change the text color. See, pink. All right. Then let's click on Elements. And here you can insert shapes, icons, or even your own photos. You can upload images too and drag them onto the canvas and arrange it as you desire. Let's use a sticker. We'll use this, put this right there. Great. Now we have sprinkled in some motion. You can arrange and layer text and graphics however you like. Go ahead and have some fun. This is your creation, so let your personality shine. Now let's bring your design to life with animation. Canva offers a couple of ways to make things move. You can animate the whole page by clicking on a blank area of the canvas. Deselect any element. Then click Animate on the top toolbar. Then we can choose an animation style for the entire page. For example, you can use pan, fade, and also we can use pop. And this will make all elements animate in that style together. You can also animate individual elements. For more control, click on a specific text box or graphic, then hit Animate. And then you can pick an effect just for that item. For instance, have your text appear with let's say a typewriter effect. here. There we go. And we can also make the image or the motion sticker fade in. So let's do that. Let's do fade. There we go. Let's see, rise. Yeah. How about pan? No, let's use rise. All right, so you can give each element a different animation to mix things up. So preview the animation by clicking the play button here. And you'll see your design come to life in a loop. If something doesn't look right, you can tweak the animations or timing until it's perfect. All right, once you're satisfied with your animation, you can go ahead and export it as a GIF file. Click on Share, Download, and then select GIF as a file type. If you have multiple pages in your design and want them all in one GIF, make sure to select all pages or the specific pages that you want. And then finally, click Download and Canva will generate your animated GIF. The best part, no watermarks, no Pro account needed. You now have a custom GIF saved to your computer. You go ahead and open it to see your handiwork in action. It should loop automatically when you open it in an image viewer or browser. What if you want your GIF to have a transparent background? This option is available with Canva Pro. If you have Pro, you can check transparent background when downloading your GIF. But on the free plan, however, GIFs will download with a solid background, usually white or whatever color you set. In our case, we have a white background. If you really need a transparent GIF using the free Canva, you could download your design as a video in MP4 format and use another tool to remove the background. That's a bit advanced, but it's an option if you need it. And there you have it. Your very own animated GIF created with Canva. And it didn't cost a thing. That's pretty cool, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and creative tutorials. Got questions or want to share the GIFs you made? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.